Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can take a digital input from the Arduino Uno to the serial monitor. And what I'm going to do in this project is I'm going to press this push button and we will see the digital value, digital input in the serial monitor as an output in the Arduino IDE. So for that and more, let me take you to my monitor screen and show you the result. But before doing that, I have to explain you the circuit diagram of this push button. So let's begin. So this is the circuit diagram of the project. Here I have used one Arduino Uno board, a push button and a 10 ohm resistor. Here I have connected the bottom legs of the push button to the 5 volt and a ground via 10 ohm resistor, and I have connected the upper right leg of the push button to the pin number 2 of the Arduino Uno. Here I have connected to pin number 2 because pin number 2 is a digital pin and we have to take a digital input in order to show the digital output on the serial monitor. So this is the circuit diagram of the project. Now I am going to tell you the code, or rather explain you the code, and I'm going to simulate this on the serial monitor and you will see the digital output on it. So this is the code for the project. Here I have defined two integer type variables. First is button pin and the second is button state. The first one is the data pin which is connected to pin number 2 from push button to Arduino Uno, and second is button state. Initially the button state is 0. In digital system 1 means high voltage and 0 means low voltage. So when we do not press a push button, that means the current state is low, and whenever we press the push button, that means the state changes to high, that means 1. So whenever we press the push button, the state will changes to 1, but initially it is 0. After that I am having my void setup. In this I have defined the serial communication at the baud rate of 9600. After that I am having the pin mode, on which I have defined the button pin as an input because we have to take the input from push button. And after that I am having my void loop. In this I am reading the digital data from the digital read function, and the button pin is the second number pin, the data pin, through which I am going to read that data, and I am going to store that data into the button state variable. That means the current state is 0, but whenever we press the push button, the state going to change to 1. So that will store in this button state. After that I am printing a serial monitor a digital value, and after that I am going to print the current state. That means if it is 0, then it will print 0, and if it is 1, it will print 1, and I am giving some delay for seeing the result. So let's upload the code. So now code is uploaded. Now I'm going to click on serial monitor. So this is the serial monitor, and as you can see the digital value is 0. That means I have not pressed any push button, but whenever I press the push button, the value will change to 1. See, when I press the push button, the value is changed to 1, and if by continuously pressing the push button, the value will continuously 1. See, and if I press the push button in alternative way, then 1010 pattern will form in the serial monitor. See, so this is the project. Thank you.